Happy birthday, and I'm wishing you a very warm and happy birthday. You are not the only sweetest sister, but a true friend also. And I feel blessed to have a sister like you. May you achieve and get all you ever wished for. At saka nga pala Ning, sabi ng nanay, nakalimutan daw niya nung siya mag-video na sabihin sa iyo na silang dalawa ng tatay ay they love you so much. At saka daw, basta, yun lang sabi, mahal na mahal ka daw nila. Pati din kami dito, everybody here in my household, love you so much, okay? At saka, syempre, yung aking mga anak dyan, yung aking mga apo dyan, si Julian, we all love you. And we are all wishing you more birthdays to come. At saka nga pala yung regalo ko sa iyo, ipapadala ko sa iyo soon. Mga ano yun? Mga next year. Ito, papakita ko naman sa iyo para alam mo na may regalo ko talaga sa iyo. This is for you, sister. You are still my baby sister. Na naalala mo ba noon yon? Nung ikaw maliit pa. Pag ako'y tumayo ay nanginginig ka at ako'y akala mo ako'y mawawala. You're still the same. Okay? Happy birthday again and I love you so much.
Hi Lenny, I wish to greet you a happy birthday at sa mga nandyan. Happy birthday para kay Lenny. Ayoko sanang bati kasi ako'y nagdadalamhati. Pero ganun pa man, happy birthday uli. I didn't say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, there. Say happy birthday. Bye-bye. Wait. Happy birthday.
Hello.
Hello.